G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. My name is Russell. This is the installation video guide for a Cap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a Lexus IS200, IS300 and also the Toyota Altezza. It's so easy to install, takes only a few minutes. You just use the factory seat bolts, you slip the bracket in, you attach any fire extinguisher you like, so long as it's 1 kilo or 1.5 kilo, and make sure it has a metal cage band. Then you just attach it, bolt it all in and take it to the track. Let's go. The tools to install this fire extinguisher mount is just a 14mm socket with a little extension and a ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners. The 8mm spanners are used on the M5 nuts and bolts. And in the video today, we're installing this twin latch extinguisher. This is the one that we sell on our website. It looks really good and it's great for motorsport. First thing we need to do is remove these little plastic covers. All you do, you just slip them off with your fingers. You just pull them and wiggle them out, just like that, on both sides. Then remove those 2 bolts with the 14mm socket. Once you've removed the 2 bolts, what I do then is I install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket so that it's easier to get it in. Using those 2 M5 nuts, bolts and washers. Once it's installed, then you simply need to lift the front of the seat up, slip the bracket under. So once you've installed your extinguisher cage onto the bracket, then you just need to lift the seat up and slip the whole bracket under, and it will locate in those positions. Then push it down and reinstall the factory bolts. And always do them up by hand first, because seat bolts are easily cross-threaded, so never just drive them in with like an impact until they're in first. Then simply tighten them all up. Then you can reinstall your plastic covers. And install your extinguisher. Well, there you go. It's all installed. It took like 5 minutes. It's super easy to install and it looks really great. It doesn't interfere with the movement of the seat. It will probably stop it from going the full extent forward, but I'm going to go forward now, and as you can see, I'm not sure why you'd be this far forward. However, you can come to about here. But it looks so good. And if you ever need to use the fire extinguisher, just reach over, undo the 2 clips, pull the extinguisher out, pull the little pin, bang, and aim it at the base of the fire. Hopefully you never have to. However, you'd rather have a fire extinguisher and never use it than need it and not have it. These are really great for track adventures, drifting, or even just general cruising. It's a nice thing to have, a little fire extinguisher, because older cars, they can go up in flames quite easily. Look on Google, happens all the time. So please check out the bracket in the link below. And if you would like to grab any of other brackets that we've got a heap on our website now at Cap Industries. See you in the next one.